Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance SSS Who. That is Southside Steppers Who. The song is Who. The artist is NESBY, and the choreography is Cynthia Turner. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it. Job, guys. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in